What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to compress your videos using Handbrake on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. After launching Handbrake on your PC, proceed to drag and drop the video you wish to reduce in file size into the Handbrake window. This might take a moment depending on the file size, and you can preview your view from here. As you are preset, you can choose a resolution, frame rate, or even a platform or device for which it can be optimized. I will set this to Fast 1080p 30, which is a relatively fast encoding method. The resolution will remain at 1920 by 1080, and the frame rate will also stay at 30, but the visual size will reduce by a lot. Under Summary, you have the option to change your output format to MKV or WebM, which will decrease your file size but will prevent you from editing the video or uploading it to another platform depending on which format they support. Make sure to select the correct file location to save your compressed video file. By default, this will be your Windows Videos folder. After making changes to your settings, click on Start Encode. This will take a couple of seconds, 2 minutes, to create the compressed version of your video file. When it's done, you can find the video in the destination folder. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.